Hello, Infotech is an award-winning Cisco partner with strong expertise across Cisco security. Infotech leverages its FitPass platform to provide users and partners dozens of hands-on labs without the need for a real kit on-prem. Let's begin by giving you a quick overview of Internet Protocol Security, referred to as IPsec. So what is IPsec? IPsec is a group of protocols that are used together to set up encrypted connections between devices. It helps keep data sent over public networks secure. IPsec is often used to set up VPNs, and it works by encrypting IP packets, along with authenticating the source where the packets come from. Let's see what is a VPN and what is an IPsec VPN. So, a virtual private network is an encrypted connection between two or more computers. VPN connections take place over public networks, but the data exchanged over the VPN is still private because it is encrypted. VPNs make it possible to securely access and exchange confidential data over shared network infrastructure, such as the public internet. For instance, when employees are working remotely instead of in the office. They often use VPNs to access corporate files and applications. Many VPNs use the IPsec protocol suite to establish and run these encrypted connections. However, not all the VPNs use IPsec. Another protocol for VPNs is SSL or TLS, which operate at a different layer in the OSI model than IPsec. How do users connect to an IPsec VPN is something let's look into. So, users can access an IPsec VPN by logging into a VPN application or client. This typically requires the user to have installed the application on their device. VPN logins are usually password-based. While data sent over a VPN is encrypted, if user passwords are compromised, attackers can log into the VPN and steal this encrypted data. Using two-factor authentication can strengthen IPsec VPN security, since stealing a password alone will no longer give an attacker access. Let's look at how does IPsec work. Key exchange. Keys are necessary for encryption. A key is a string of random characters that can be used to lock, that is encrypt, and unlock, which is decrypt, messages. IPsec set up keys with a key exchange between the connected devices so that each device can decrypt the other device's messages. Packet headers and trailers. All data that is sent over a network is broken down into smaller pieces called packets. Packets contain both a payload or the actual data being sent and headers or information about that data so that computers receiving the packets know what to do with them. IPsec adds several headers to data packets containing authentication and encryption information. IPsec also adds trailers which go after each packet's payload instead of before. Then you have authentication. IPsec provides authentication for each packet, like a stamp of authenticity on a collectible item. This ensures that packets are from a trusted source and not an attacker. Then let's look into encryption. IPsec encrypts the payloads with each packet and each packet's IP header, unless transport mode is used instead of tunnel mode. This keeps data sent over IPsec secure and private. Transmission. Encrypted IPsec packets travel across one or more networks to their destination using a transport protocol. At this stage, IPsec traffic differs from regular IP traffic in that it most often uses UDP as its transport protocol rather than TCP. TCP, the Transmission Control Protocol, sets up dedicated connections between devices and ensures that all packets arrive. UDP, the User Datagram Protocol, does not set up these dedicated connections. IPsec uses UDP because this allows IPsec packets to get through firewalls. Then we have decryption. At the other end of the communication, the packets are decrypted and applications can now use the delivered data. Now, let's discuss about some show commands. The first command that we're going to key in is show crypto engine configuration. This command provides us the information about crypto engine, state, crypto engine type, and platform. So we are going ahead and executing the command. You will shortly notice the output that is displayed along. I'm also highlighting the stuff that is required. So the next command we're going to see is show run pipe begin ISACamp. This command shows us the complete configuration altogether, like the phase 1 configuration, policy we used, authentication is pre-share, SHA, transform set, crypto map, access list, and a lot more, which I am going ahead and highlighting so as to you can notice the same while I'm executing this command, and you should be able to see all of these, which I repeat: phase 1 configuration, policy we used, authentication in pre-share, SHA, transform set, crypto map, access list. The next command we're going to see is show crypto ISACamp SA. This command gives us information about the source address, destination address, state, and connection ID status, which again I'm highlighting for your reference. Now that you're familiar with what IPsec is, if you're interested in how BitBus can help you and your team learn about IPsec or any other security features, please reach out to your Bay Infotech representative. Thank you.